Hey you guys, welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video, I'm going to be trying to design a 70s theme chip bag. This was a request. So first, I went to Google, as always. You guys can go to Google for all of your images and to also get ideas. And I just typed in 70s invitations. And these are pretty much what came up. But if you guys know me, then you know my favorite color is red. And since I didn't really get any color schemes on this, then hey, we're gonna try to these are some pictures that I took that I'm gonna try to go with. So um yeah, so that's how we're gonna do this. I still don't know what the heck I'm doing. Okay, so that's a nice, okay. Okay, so that's a good image. Let's move that back. Okay. Let's get some borders up in here. Y'all know I love my borders. We're gonna go with that maroon color. Format, no outline. Looks a little bit darker. Yeah, let's make this a little bit darker. Shape, feel, more feel. Alright, that looks better. I'm trying to get this just. Alright, now let's copy. Alright. So this is what we got so far, but I'm about to lower this so I can see the lines for this front here. Perfect. Move them up a little bit more. About right there. Now originally I had something else planned, but you know what? We just gonna go with this. Let's bring it down just a little bit. I had this goddamn confetti. I don't even know what it's gonna look like now. Let me crop it down because I don't like all this thick confetti at the top. Crop it about down to there. I'm gonna set it back behind. There we go. Okay. Okay, not bad. Not bad. Insert. What do we want to say? Guess we're gonna say that's boogie shoot. That color to me. Nope. Uh. Mm. goodness. Lord have mercy. Come on now. Shoot. Alright. I'm actually going to go ahead and do another version of this. I mean, this one is pretty much done. It really don't even take a lot. Yeah, that's pretty much it for that. Oh, shoot. And then on the front, if you want to put happy birthday, how the heck did I forget about that? You could put happy birthday or whoever's name it is. Shoot. You can even bring the people down to put it like on the lines if you wanted to. I mean, but hey, that's one version. So let's take that off and let's see if we can come up with another one. Now these are rock bands from the 70s. But I seen it. It was red and black. I had to do it. Had to do it. Alright, let's move this back. Now let's change these words to say white. And let's also change the people to white. So when you want to do another color, you click on the image, go to recolor, and pretty much just choose whatever you want. Shoot. Let's see what this looks like as the center. Format. Let's see if we can change this. I don't like the confetti. Let's take the confetti out all the way. Alright. Something else also just not looking right to me. Let's change these back. No. I think it might be the size, god dang it. I don't think I'm liking the size too much. Alright, let's see what I got in my change picture. Let's see what I got. Or you know, another thing you could do for the 70s, you could also make it like you know, a rainbow of colors. That would be kind of cool too. I do not think I got nothing saved. Let's see what this is. Or this. What is this? Okay, that's not bad. Shoot. And then could we change them back to black? That look right? Okay. Now I feel like something's missing. Alright, that's another simple way to do it. Shoot. Yep, black and red. There you go. 70s theme. I like that also. But yeah, this is also what I did. Like I said, I just went to Google, typed in 70s themed invitations, and bam, as you can see, this was the first one I saw. It's just gold, and I just went with it. But I changed mine to red. Shoot, I like red. I will be uploading some of the images so that you can use it as well if you like. Go ahead and put something on the front. Shoot. Happy birthday in white. Or could we put what, 70s party? Or disco party? I don't know. But yeah, that's pretty much what I got. That's the two different types of styles of 70 party that I came up with. I'm going to be uploading some of the images as well so that you can also use them if you like. You know, 'cause y'all know I don't got a store anymore, so shoot. Y'all want to use it, more power to you. But as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.